To create a new section in code.org, first log into code.org and then choose My Dashboard. You'll scroll down to create a section. And if you're using Google Classroom, this is going to be the easiest way to create a section is to use go through Google Classroom. So the other options are to create picture logins where you would add each student's name in there and then it'll assign a picture to them, or personal logins where they would log in using their Google account. But I'm going to do it the easiest way, showing Google Classroom. When you click on that, it's going to ask you which class you want to create your section from. So I'm just going to choose my sandbox. Maybe I already have. So I'm going to choose my sandbox and choose section. This then asks you what grade level you want it to be. So I'm going to choose 5th grade, which course you want assigned to it. So I'll just choose course E because to me that corresponds with the 5th grade. And then I'll click Save. And you can see that it created this Google Classroom with course E for my 5th grade students in the 2019 sandbox. If I click on students, it'll list all of the people that were in that Google Classroom. I didn't have to do anything to get them in there. So that is to do it through Google Classroom. You can also do it through picture logins. So I'll click on picture logins. This is generally a kinder 1st grade. I'll choose first. And in this one, I'm going to select course A and hit save. And then from this, you would have to actually add the students. So I'm going to click on add students. And then you would list their names. And then it auto-generates their code. The next one, and it gives you a list of your students. So for the students, then when they go to the code.org class, they would click on their name. So I would click on my name, Sean, and then it'll ask me which animal or which picture is my secret code. So they would have to click on that code. You can also print those out. By clicking on print out cards with student login information. So then you could print these out for each student. So it shows that Sean has the little unicorn, Susie has the little princess. So she would go to this section, click on her name, and then choose her secret picture. And then the last way would be to create a section and use personal logins. So I'm going to call this 3rd grade, grade 3. Assign course C because that coincides well with 3rd grade, and then hit save. And then from here, you can either add the students or you can provide the code.org studio.code.org/join, and they would type in the class code. So those are the 3 ways to add sections to your class.